Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be explaining all of the new stuff. Well, not all the new stuff, it's today's update, but in the fishing rod update, or the fishing update. Anyways, here's all the stuff. Actually, I should probably not show that yet. Anyways, yeah. I'll just be showcasing all the stuff, and before I get into it, I'll say it quick because you probably don't want to hear me yapping all the time. Thank you so much for 40 subscribers. My dream is to get to 50, so please hit the subscribe button. And every subscriber, I'll build their name in my map. So yeah. Anyways, let's get straight to the video. And spoiler, if you do not want to see anything in the of stuffs, then get out. The door's right there, buddy. Anyways, yes, here's all the stuff that will be added in the update. I don't know. Oh yeah, these are the mattresses. Just there, you know. But yeah, and here's it's not really a bundle yet, but I'm just gonna take a guess that it's gonna be like a diver suit with what's it called, a harpoon gun. Now hear me out. Fishing update, swimming. Yeah, put that together. Whatever it's called again, I do not know how to pronounce it. Anyways, but yes, I just wanted to say thank you and all that for all these subscribers, and this is just a little short little video. But yes, I do not have lab yet. It'll be really good if I had lab, but what if I did get lab? I would show you everything, but as soon as I show you all the items, the map, and yeah, that's just basically this short little video. And yeah, if you subscribe, I will write your name in the map. Remember that. Sorry. Remember that. There you go. Okay. And every like, I will place one frog.